Live to look at Cardinal Football Stadium on the U of L campus. We've been watching what we could be the very end of the Beyonce big concert. We don't know, but there's no lightning in Louisville, but the lights are certainly flashing there as her concert is still underway every bit of 3 hours. It did start a little late tonight, but she is giving them quite the show, as we can see live. How about that, Ben? They got that concert off without any thunderstorms.
Very lucky. It's been a little Beyonce miracle here on this Monday night to keep all of that activity to the north much longer than a lot of the weather models were anticipating earlier this evening. So we are still seeing a lot of lightning, a lot of thunder, some gusty winds. We have a couple of storms that have become severe with the potential of 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, that frequent cloud-to-ground lightning, and also the possibility of quarter-size hail. The strongest thunderstorm has been around Madison, Indiana. The worst of it has moved through your area in downtown Madison and Hanover and has now crossed the river heading towards Bedford. So we've got a little bit of a warning there just north of Bedford. And then Carroll County, you guys now have that warning because of that storm right there that's tracking off to the southeast at around 30 to 40 miles per hour. So just stay inside if that warning has been issued for your area. We have some more strong thunderstorms. No warnings on these as they sag slowly to the south, getting closer to Brownstown, Highway 50, Seymour, Crothersville, some heavy rain over you. So these are some tropical downpours, could cause some brief localized flooding as they pass through as well. I want to point this out. This is the rain cooled air. We call this an outflow boundary. It's kind of like a little mini cool front from the air coming out of the thunderstorms. So that is coming right into the metro area. What that can do sometimes is just pop up random storms along that outflow boundary. Hasn't happened yet, but we'll just kind of watch it. Here is one thunderstorm that's been weakening here over northern Washington County in Kentucky, just north of the Willisburg area. As we expand back out and switch over to Futurecast is picking up pretty well on the activity to the north, which again might sag a little bit farther to the south over the next few hours, as it will also be on a weakening trend. So the overall severe weather threat will stay very low for us through the overnight hours, but some gusty winds, lightning and thunder certainly possible if any rogue thunderstorm continues over the next few hours. Tomorrow afternoon is mostly dry, only about a 20% chance of rain tomorrow with our temperatures in the 80s. And the humidity is going to stay elevated over the next several days, and that's going to give us some rounds of showers and thunderstorms. Looks like a pretty decent shot of that, as you can see here, for Thursday especially. So that could also lead to some issues of flooding. So it has been a warm Beyonce concert out there, thankfully staying dry. Heat index still at 84 degrees. And you'll notice that we have that urban heat island effect, 81 in Louisville, but you get outside the city, when you got the rain cooled air in Madison at 63. And then lower 70s in most other spots. So speaking of the comfort levels here for the rest of this week, it's going to stay a bit humid through Thursday, but notice we're going to bring in some dry, nice weather and some drier humidity, lower humidity levels for this weekend, and also finally a nice dry weekend too. We've had the wildfire smoke lingering around the region. The air quality has been improving with the higher density smoke now starting to ease off to the east, so the air should be looking better and less hazy over the next couple days too. So our lows tonight will be in the 60s to around 70 degrees with a few lingering thunderstorms, and tomorrow partly sunny. Most areas stay dry with our high temperatures in the 80s. So a little unsettled, a little busy here with our weather pattern through Thursday with some more storm chances and clearing out, lower humidity, comfortably warm Saturday at 85 and 87 on Sunday. We've got sports coming up next.